Adding a new key fob to your Tesla Model 3 is straightforward through the Tesla app. First, ensure your Model 3 has the latest software update for streamlined pairing. Open the Tesla app and navigate to Controls, then Locks, then Add Key Fob. Bring the new key fob close to the key reader on the B pillar of the car. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and sync the fob with your car. The app guides you through the remaining steps, eliminating the need for a service center visit. Passive entry allows your Model 3 to automatically unlock when the paired key fob is within approximately 3 feet of the vehicle, enhancing convenience. Once the fob is paired, ensure passive entry is enabled in your vehicle's settings. To do this, go to Controls, Locks, Passive Entry, and toggle the setting to On. Remember, passive entry relies on the fob having sufficient battery life, which now lasts 2 to 3 years on newer fobs, and being functional. Passive entry uses proximity sensors to unlock doors when the fob is in range. You can also manage this setting via the Tesla app. Keeping your Tesla software updated ensures that passive entry and other fob-related security features, like rolling codes that prevent relay attacks, function optimally.